All right, Lou, final question. This is for the network, right? Why do you love being a cyber pro and why should other people want to become a cyber pro?
I think it's constant learning. That's the thing I've realized in my life. I've always been someone that's love challenges and love to learn. And everyone that I know, yourself very much included, when you look at your CV, it's like someone who's a constant learner that wants to push the boundaries of knowledge. That's why when people are like, "Hey, I want to get into cyber, you can make a lot of money." It's like you can make a lot of money doing anything, flipping hamburgers or creating your own hamburger. Go out there and do that versus cyber. But if you're someone that wants to learn, that is not intimidated by the fact that every day you're almost starting from scratch because new things are coming out, etc. If that excites you rather than fills you with dread, then I'd say you're probably a good candidate for cyber pro.
Lou, thank you so much for being on the Cyber Pro podcast.
Thanks for having me, Rick.